Hey everybody, Tony Blackney here, Director of Operations with Paramount Property Investments. I'm here at a single family residence in Akron, Ohio on the north side. It's a 3-bed, 1-bath, it's over 1,800 square feet. This property is definitely going to need some work, so we're just doing a quick walkthrough to see if the numbers make sense for us to purchase this property or one of our partners to purchase this property. So definitely going to need some carpet, some paint. The roof looks like it's needs some work. So if you're a homeowner in the area, west side, north side, east side, or any of the surrounding suburbs, you got a property that you want to sell, give us a call. Particularly, we know most homeowners may want to list with the realtor and put their home in the market and wait for the highest and best price possible. We understand that. Our service is for homeowners who may not have the time, or maybe they do have the time, but they'd rather not wait on the market 90 to 180 days for a buyer. Maybe you're just looking for a quick solution. We may have a quick solution for you. We don't charge any real estate commissions, and we can close in 30 days or less. So if that's something that may interest you, visit our website for more information, www.investparamount.com, or just call me directly, 330-685-2220.